Are you struggling with inefficiencies, accessibility challenges, or a lack of standardization in your documentation process? In today's fast-paced business world, these issues can hinder seamless operations and impact customer support. That's where Docsie steps in with its cutting-edge AI-powered knowledge base platform. Don't let documentation challenges hold your business back. Experience the difference with Docsie and take your documentation process to the next level. First off, custom landing page. Docsie offers a customizable landing page that acts as the gateway to your entire documentation portal. This feature is designed to provide users with a seamless and intuitive entry point, allowing them to quickly find and access the information they need. The landing page can be tailored to match your brand's look and feel, incorporating logos, colors, and design elements that reflect your company's identity. Next, AI generative content. Docsie's AI generative content solution is a game-changer in business documentation. By leveraging advanced AI algorithms, Docsie empowers businesses to create top-notch content with minimal effort. This solution is invaluable for organizations seeking to streamline documentation processes, save time, and maintain consistency across documents. Next, Dynamic Web Portal. A groundbreaking solution to how businesses centralize, organize, and streamline their documentation processes. Our platform offers a customizable and user-friendly space where your end users can effortlessly access various document types. Next, users and permissions. Docsie's users and permissions solution is a cornerstone of efficient and secure documentation management within organizations. It empowers businesses to control access levels, ensuring that sensitive information is safeguarded while promoting collaboration and productivity. Next, content localization. Content localization is a critical aspect of global business operations, and Docsie excels in this area by offering comprehensive tools and solutions to streamline the localization process. The localization process in Docsie encompasses various elements, including text translation, cultural adaptation, and visual localization. Next, in-app help. Docsie's in-app help solution is a game-changer in providing contextual assistance and guidance directly within the platform's interface, enhancing user experience and productivity. At its core, in-app help is designed to offer users immediate access to relevant resources, tutorials, and FAQs without the need to leave their current workflow. This eliminates the hassle of searching through external sources or interrupting tasks to seek assistance, streamlining the user journey. Next, AI chatbots. AI chatbots are intelligent virtual assistants that leverage artificial intelligence algorithms to engage in real-time conversations with users, offering personalized assistance, answering queries, and performing tasks within the Docsie platform. Next, project management. Docsie's project management solution is a comprehensive toolset designed to streamline and optimize project workflows within the platform. This solution empowers teams to collaborate effectively, track project progress, and ensure timely completion of tasks. One of the key functionalities of Docsie's project management is task assignment and tracking. Users can create tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and monitor progress in real time. This promotes accountability, transparency, and efficient task management across projects. Next, template management. Docsie's template management solution allows users to customize and modify templates according to their specific needs. Users can add or remove sections, update content, adjust formatting, and incorporate branding elements such as logos, colors, and fonts. This flexibility ensures that templates remain dynamic and adaptable to evolving requirements. Next, Fillable Forms. Docsie's Fillable Forms solution is a versatile tool that enables users to create, customize, and manage interactive forms within the platform. These Fillable Forms are instrumental in collecting data, gathering feedback, and streamlining processes across various functions within an organization. Additionally, users can customize form layouts, styles, and branding elements to align with their organization's visual identity. Next, snippet management. Reusable content snippets can save a lot of time and ensure consistency. Doxie's snippet management solution lets you create and manage snippets of content that can be easily inserted into different documents. Next, File Manager. Keeping track of various files can be cumbersome. Doxie's File Manager provides a centralized location to store and organize all your documentation files, making it easy to retrieve and manage them. Next, Workspace Reports and Web Analytics. Doxie's Workspace Reports deliver comprehensive data on how your team interacts with documents. You can track metrics such as document views, edits, and user activity, gaining a clear picture of how content is being used internally. This helps identify high-performing documents in areas where additional training or resources might be needed. Next, Support Ticket System and Notification Feed. The support ticket system is designed to streamline customer support processes, ensuring that all customer inquiries and issues are tracked, managed, and resolved efficiently. Customers can submit tickets directly through the platform, and support teams can prioritize, assign, and track the progress of each ticket. In addition, Doxie's notification feed keeps your team informed about important changes and updates. Team members receive real-time alerts for document edits, task assignments, comments, and other critical activities within the platform. Next, WYSIWYG Editor and Version Management. Doxie's WYSIWYG, What You See is What You Get, editor simplifies document creation and editing, making it accessible even to those without technical expertise. This intuitive tool allows users to format text, insert images, create tables, and embed dynamic content effortlessly, ensuring that documents are both professional and visually appealing. Coupled with Doxie's robust version management system, users can easily track changes, revert to previous versions, and maintain a comprehensive history of document revisions. Next, Article History and Tasks and Reminders. Doxie's Article History offers a comprehensive log of all changes made to a document. This solution allows users to view detailed records of edits, updates, and revisions, providing transparency and accountability. Complementing this is Doxie's Tasks and Reminders solution, designed to keep everyone aligned and on schedule. Next, Import and Export Content. Docsie offers robust import and export capabilities, supporting a wide range of formats to enhance document flexibility and accessibility. Users can seamlessly import content from .doc, .docs, or .md files, allowing for easy migration of existing documents into the Doxie platform. Additionally, Doxie facilitates effortless sharing and distribution by enabling exports to .docs, .pdf, or .md formats. Next, dynamic content embeds and charts and graphs. Doxie empowers users to elevate their documentation by seamlessly integrating dynamic content, charts, and graphs. This enriches the document's value and enhances user understanding through engaging visual aids. Moreover, Doxie's intuitive interface makes it effortless to incorporate charts and graphs directly into documents. Users can visualize data trends, compare metrics, and present information in a visually compelling manner. These visual aids not only make documents more engaging but also facilitate data-driven decision-making and analysis. Next, Video Chapters and Table of Content. With Doxie, you can add timestamps to videos, enabling users to jump to specific sections effortlessly. Additionally, Doxie allows you to create a detailed table of contents for your documents. This interactive table of contents provides a structured overview of the document sections and topics, making it easy for users to navigate and locate the information they need quickly. Next, Article Metrics Display. Doxie's Article Metrics Display offers a comprehensive view of user interactions with your documents, shedding light on what resonates effectively and where enhancements are needed. And much more. Doxie offers many more solutions designed to streamline your documentation processes and improve overall efficiency. To truly appreciate the full capabilities of Doxie, we recommend scheduling a live demo. Our team will walk you through the platform and demonstrate how Doxie can address your specific business documentation needs.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check Lifetime Deal link in the description below.